How will my life transform being a homeowner? This is a really nitty-gritty question, and I love getting into this type of stuff. What I like to tell people is that it's a forced savings account. As time goes on, that equity is going to grow larger and larger as you continue to make your payments, and can give you options of what to do with it, such as the following. A, you can take out what's called a HELOC, a home equity line of credit. So what does a HELOC mean? The lender's going to lend you a portion of your equity back as a line of credit. They're going to use your home as the collateral for that. So some may see this as a really great opportunity to take a huge vacation or buy some sort of other liability. However, personally, I would recommend that you take that money and put it to work by either A, getting yourself out of consumer debt to maximize your monthly income, or B, buy another asset that will pay you money each month and further increase your monthly cash flow. Now, obviously, I can't tell you what to do with your money. That's always going to be your choice. However, when making that decision, consider just how long it took you to continue to make those payments, sacrifices that you had to make, the overtime at work that you may have had to pull. Keep that in mind and look at it from that perspective when you're going to spend the money on that HELOC.